In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add meta tags in Practice Better. Whether you're trying to optimize your content for better search engine results or simply want to organize your practices more effectively, this is the guide for you. Stick around to the end because I'll also be recommending some alternatives to Practice Better that could actually offer more flexibility depending on your needs. First, let's talk about why meta tags are important in Practice Better. Meta tags help search engines understand the content on your platform, allowing you to target specific keywords more effectively. It's an essential step for any online business or wellness professional looking to get noticed. Next thing, let's go over how to find where to add these meta tags in Practice Better. Log into your account and then navigate to your settings area. You'll find a section specifically for your practice's SEO settings. This is where you'll be able to input those all-important meta tags. The third thing you need to do is actually enter the meta tags. Practice Better gives you a space where you can insert your meta title and meta description. The meta title should be concise, clear, and include relevant keywords related to your service or practice. The meta description should briefly describe your page content while also making sure it's keyword optimized. It's critical that this description is engaging, as it will be visible in search results. Now, the fourth thing I want to highlight, Practice Better does make it easy to add these tags, but don't expect it to have all the advanced features you might want. If you're someone looking for more control over your SEO strategy, Practice Better's options might feel a bit limited. It's a simple solution, but doesn't offer in-depth customization for meta tags. The fifth thing, practice makes perfect. After you've added your meta tags, it's important to monitor how they perform. Check your site's search visibility regularly to see if those tags are helping your practice get discovered. If you're seeing good results, great. If not, you might need to tweak your meta tags or even consider an alternative platform. Speaking of alternatives, while Practice Better does its job for basic meta tag inclusion, there are platforms out there that might be better suited to your specific SEO needs. If you're looking for something with more robust features for managing SEO, you might want to check out options like Insert Competitor Name, which offers more flexibility in custom meta tag setups and better search optimization. Before we wrap up, I want to mention that through the link in the description, you'll get access to an exclusive, extended free trial for Practice Better, but also, the alternatives I mentioned have their own free trials as well. These platforms might just give you that extra boost you're looking for. So, make sure to check out all the options and take full advantage of the exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. Thanks for watching!